The strength and lifting warm-up is a combination of 4 exercises done back-to-back. They consist of inchworms, kettlebell deadlifts, goblet squats, and overhead kettlebell presses. This set of 4 exercises should be done 3 times through using the following rep scheme. Inchworms with elbow taps and shoulder openers 3 times, kettlebell deadlifts 10 times, goblet squat 10 times, and the kettlebell overhead press 5 times on each side. For the inchworms with elbow taps and shoulder openers, you're going to walk your hands forward on the ground into the palm plank position. Pull one foot forward and plant it underneath your hip. Drop the elbow on that same side down to the ground or as close as possible, and then roll out of that position, extending the arm straight up overhead. Now, with the forward foot still planted, gently pull back and attempt to straighten your forward leg to stretch the hamstring. Return to the plank position and repeat for the other side. Then return to a standing position and repeat this combination 2 times more on each side. For the kettlebell deadlift, we want to place the kettlebell between our feet with the handles about our mid-foot line. We're going to start by shifting our hips backwards and tilting the pelvis slightly forward. Keeping your hips in this tilted position, start to bend at the knees until you can grab the kettlebell handle. With your back and spine in this neutral position, stand up firmly, concentrating on driving the floor away with your legs. Repeat this process to lower the kettlebell until it touches the floor. Continue with the remaining reps. For the goblet squat, pull the kettlebell up quickly by the handle, and then at chest level, readjust your hands to grip the horns or the side of the handle. With your forearms in this near vertical position, squat straight down until your elbows almost touch your knees. Stand up firmly and repeat for the remainder of repetitions. For the kettlebell press, clean the kettlebell into the rack position, making sure to use your hips to initiate the movement. Press the kettlebell straight overhead. Your elbows should be locked out and your arms straight. Try and focus on making sure your bicep is coming all the way up to your ear. This will ensure you're pressing vertically and not leaning out to the side or too far forward. Lower the kettlebell back into the rack position and repeat for the remaining number of reps on each side.